Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now, so we have almost finished with this chapter, Environment of Class 7 Geography. So we'll start with Class 7 English and Class 8 English and Class 12 Psychology on Monday. And on Saturday, we will start with the new chapter, Class 7 uh, English. And on Friday, we will start with Class 8 English. So today we will finish with this chapter. So today we only have to revise the important points because the same thing is written here. So your revision is also done. So we have said with the four domains, right? हमारे चार domains हमने पढ़े थे. Lithosphere, जो outermost layer of the earth है, and we've studied hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? It can refers to water bodies. Hydro. नाम से सुनो ना water होगा इधर. तो हमने ये भी पढ़ा था right? Like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, right? So we studied with this. We know what is atmosphere. It is a thin layer of the earth and contains UV rays. Contains नहीं, sorry, it protects. हमें protect करता है. I'm so sorry. It protects us from UV rays and the heat. The heat है से बचाता है. And the biosphere. Biosphere is all the living world is composed of plant and animal life. It is a narrow zone. This is a narrow zone. हमें पता है narrow zone जैसे लिखा भी हुआ है where land, water, air interacts with each other. Interact करते हैं. हम land में रहते हैं. हम पानी पीते हैं. मैं breathe कर रहे हैं. Interact कर रहे हैं. Right? तो हम interact कर रहे हैं. And we know what is ecosystem, the relation between the living organisms and the surroundings form an ecosystem, right? So हमने इसके बारे में बात की थी. And the ecosystem can be found in lakes, oceans, pond, etc. Human beings modify the natural environment for their needs. तो हमने इसको बात किया था. तो हम हमारा हमारा रिविजन भी हो गया है and we finish with this chapter also. So this chapter is finished. So Monday we start with on Monday we start with class 12 third chapter of geography, and we're done with the chapter this chapter environment, and we'll start with the class 7 English chapter. So that's it for the video. Thank you. Stay safe and please do subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and please comment, or if you want me to improve on something, I'll surely improve on that thing. So thank you so much.